The finished motorcycle is prepared for transport. Every Harley Davidson motorcycle begins with raw steel.
Precision cutting shapes the first motorcycle components.
Robotic welders form the iconic Harley frame.
Each frame is inspected for structural perfection.
The heart of the motorcycle is born in molten metal. Advanced machines refine the engine's precision. The parts arrive where the motorcycle begins to take shape.
Finished components travel toward the main assembly facility.
Automated systems guide each frame through production. The iconic frames move to preparation stations. Cleaning prepares the frame for finishing. Dry frames move toward protective coatings. Robotic coating protects the steel frame. The frame is ready for the legendary Harley assembly. This is where Harley Davidson motorcycles come to life. Inside, thousands of components become legendary motorcycles. This is the heart of Harley Davidson motorcycle production. The powerful V-twin engine meets the steel frame.
Precision assembly locks the engine into the frame. The drivetrain begins to complete the motorcycle core.
The motorcycle begins to take its final shape. The first wheels bring the motorcycle closer to completion. Suspension and wheels form the motorcycle's foundation. The iconic fuel tank prepares for installation.
The tank gives the motorcycle its unmistakable profile.
Control systems bring the motorcycle to life. Electrical systems power the motorcycle's technology. Electrical systems power the motorcycle's technology. The seat brings comfort to the powerful machine. Critical connections bring the engine systems together.
The dashboard provides vital riding information. The lighting system prepares the bike for the road.
Powerful brakes ensure rider safety. The motorcycle nears its final transformation. The legendary Harley Davidson identity is applied. Signature chrome defines the Harley Davidson style. Signature chrome defines the Harley Davidson style.
Advanced diagnostics ensure flawless performance.
The legendary engine roars to life.
Performance testing confirms the motorcycle's power.
The motorcycle approaches its final quality inspection. Laser systems verify perfect frame alignment.
Digital monitoring confirms flawless operation.
Robotic tools verify critical assembly points.
Every lighting system is tested for road safety.
Braking performance is carefully verified.
The motorcycle passes its final electronic checks.
The motorcycles move toward final finishing. Final polishing perfects the motorcycle's iconic shine. Every surface is cleaned before final inspection.
Comfort and craftsmanship meet in every detail.
The iconic Harley Davidson identity is carefully checked.
Perfect wheel alignment ensures smooth riding.
The final shine prepares the motorcycle for delivery.
The legendary motorcycles are ready for final approval.
Every Harley Davidson undergoes strict final inspection.
Every surface is checked for perfection.
Electronic systems are tested for flawless performance. Brake performance is verified for rider safety.
Simulated road tests confirm ride stability.
Only perfect motorcycles leave the factory. The motorcycles move toward final delivery preparation. The finished motorcycle is prepared for transport. The motorcycle is locked securely to the pallet.
Crates protect the motorcycle during global shipping.
Thousands of motorcycles await delivery worldwide.
The motorcycles are ready to leave the factory.
The legendary machines begin their journey to riders.
And this is how modern factories produce Harley Davidson motorcycles from start to finish.
Precision engineering defines every Harley. From raw metal to legendary motorcycles. A masterpiece of American motorcycle engineering. The spirit of Harley Davidson lives in every machine.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.